Welcome to Key West, Florida. We are headed out to go shooting, Florida Keys style. But first, a shout out to a couple of companies making it all possible. I was lucky enough to spend a couple of days fishing with the boys from Island Time Charters. So I got my first catch of the day. It's a barracuda with Captain Greg. And yeah, it's a nice size one. I've seen these before when I've been snorkeling, but I've never caught one and held one like this. Look at the teeth. Look at that. They provide all sorts of eco trips, lobstering, spearfishing, and sunset trips. Come on down and join us. Let's go fishing. Alright guys, so today we're going to take a deeper look at the SKO-12. This SKO-12 came with the Works package. It's a 38-inch 12 gauge, weighing 7 pounds 10 ounces without the mag. The receivers are machined from aircraft grade 70-75 aluminum, mil-spec hard anodized. Mine came with a sling, a doorbuster choke, and a stiletto choke, which looks totally savage. It's a shotgun, but it's an AR-15 platform shotgun. Here's your stock. You want to adjust it. Here's your safe, here's your fire. Right here on the side you have flip-up sights. Or over here you have your red dot. Here's your mag release button, right here. Charging handle. And then here on the side, so you basically have like the ping pong paddle, kind of like on an AR-15. And it's ambidextrous, which is really cool for me. We have a laser, and the laser is only activated when this button is pressed right here. And I'm just pressing the button. I love how you have a rail right here, so I can attach anything I want to, really. So it's a nice little shotgun, so I'm gonna take this beautiful gun out and we're gonna go on the boat and we're gonna see what kind of different ammo we can shoot and test it out and just try and have some fun, kind of. Today we will be shooting off of a 59-foot Sea Ray, the Gallant Effort. Gallant Effort is available for multi-day trips to the Bahamas, dry Tortugas, or just a sunset cruise with the family. We are also supported by fishing boat Fortunate Son, our target and spent shell collection team. What's up, guys? I got this SKO-12 here by Standared Manufacturing, and this is my first time shooting it. First reaction, so let's see how it goes. Shoots pretty nice. I like how big the magazine is, so it's gonna hold a lot of rounds. Let's get some targets now. For this trip, we brought some special rounds I got from Knob Creek and the Big Daddy Hoffman crew. The Skynet rounds were given to us by Jason from the Big Daddy Hoffman channel. So we have some drone catching ammo in here, and we're gonna throw that football, and I'm gonna shoot at it, and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, pull.
Dude,
that was...
Nothing came out. I didn't see a net, I saw the fluff.
Actually, when we slow-mo it, you can vaguely see the shot and wiring of the Skynet round. So that was our first attempt, and I was using my iron sights on the side, and I think I was a little off. And also, when we shot it, it looked like it just vaporized, like it just went into a big puff. So I don't know. I've never shot these before. I don't know how these work. So we're gonna try this again, and we're gonna use this little drone helicopter.
Ready, John? You watching it? All right, wait. Don't shoot, Raquel. I'm gonna try to bring it back.
What's the range of these bullets?
Well, shoot it where it's at.
All right.
Go for it. The best we got. Nothing. Where's the birdshot? Here, Raquel, quick.
That's a hell of a shot from here.
Go for it. And John was over here watching me.
Anything came out of that net thing.
God.
Just a little bit of
You
white.
want to try the football one more time?
While the team from the Fortunate Son was chasing down that drone and collecting shell casings, we decided to go close range. So everything isn't going as planned. We don't know if it's the ammo, the net's just like not coming out or something. We're not really sure. So we're gonna throw that football out right there, and we're gonna put it in the water so it stays still, and then we're just gonna see what this ammo does. And
Okay, go ahead and toss it out.
There's a net on it.
that one worked. That one worked.
See it?
Sweet,
Oh yeah.
but it slipped off.
Maybe it's
All
just
right.
hard to.
The Admiral volunteered for retrieval duties while we waited for the Fortunate Son to return from fetching the drone.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back.
You lost it.
So we just shot the football, and what I noticed was the football like popped, so it like kind of cut through it. But then there was little strings. It kind of looked like tentacles. So there was a net in there, and it did work, but it was kind of weird. I think just because it was so close, it didn't have time to spread out enough, and so it popped the ball. But I think those work, but I think they're kind of finicky, you know.
Next up, buckshot tracers, which proved to be total garbage.
So we're shooting some tracer rounds. This is buckshot in here, and let's see what happens.
Yep.
All right, so this is round 2. The first one was a dub, so.
I was getting frustrated. Next up, were Dragon's Breath.
Now we're shooting some dragon's breath, so let's test it out.
Oh, Jesus.
That was pretty cool. It was like shooting a firework. Here, let's try it again.
We decided to wait for sunset to get the full effect. The Standard manufacturing SKO-12 was cycling flawlessly with these crackpot rounds. Now it was time for some birdshot and floaties.
Oh, that got Nemo, dude.
Oh, really? Ready?
Yep.
Woo! Wow.
In his back.
Oh, they're going down.
Now he's got a limp neck. All right, so the dragon's breath was really cool, and then the tracer rounds I didn't really notice much or anything, but now we're just shooting with birdshot and it's going down, sinking like a ship now. So right now we're kind of just taking a little break, and I'm shooting Dieter's gun right here. Got an AK-47. Shooting in the water is more fun than shooting on land. I'll tell you that.
We found some floaties, and the whole crew got in on some fun.
All right, so now we're just shooting the Smith & Wesson AR.
The bullets underwater looked a little different than when in the movies.
apparently we're going to be shooting an egg roll from last night. Tell me when. Boom.
You got it, because that's over there.
Yeah, I think I got it.
It's right there if you want
Got
to
any more egg rolls?
keep going.
Got that last one though.
There you go.
Yeah, that was so much fun. Thank you.
There you go.
Nice. She is on point, but
Yeah, you're hitting it.
These floaties are tough. You can't get these floaties. They're like, no, we ain't going down. No floaties. That's fun though. Alright guys, so I just wanted to say thank you to Standard Manufacturing for sending me this gun. That was awesome of them. I love them so much for that. This gun is awesome. It's a hammer. It's a semi-automatic and not pump action, so you're not working out your arm all day. But it's really fun to shoot. I love it so much. And I just want to say thank you to Island Time Charters for taking me out on their yacht to go have a fun day of shooting some buckshot tracer rounds. Ready? Alright, now we're shooting some Dragon's Breath.
Oh,
Woo! That's American fireworks right there. That's cool. And I just want to say thank you to Standard Manufacturing for sending me this shotgun right here. This shotgun is so much fun. And when you put Dragon's Breath in there, it's awesome. Look at this magazine. It's huge. So thank you so much. They're awesome. Go show them some love. And thank you to Island Time Charters for taking me out here on my first shotgun shooting yacht trip. And you guys should totally go check them out. I'm going to leave the link down below. And go to islandtimecharterskeywest.com and book a trip, because I might be there. And they do a lot of cool things. They do lobstering, eco tours, sunset views, just deep sea fishing, all kinds of cool stuff. So I just want to say thank you to them, and you guys should totally go over there. I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff with them, and we're going to be doing a lot of fishing videos. So it'll kind of be like a second channel, so you should totally go check that out. And stay tuned for the next Gun Name Bundle.
You can find more information on the SKO-12 at stdgun.com and book your Key West vacation excursions with keywestkenny.com and Island Time Charters Key West.